So find the wrong number in this series here. Chalo. The number here is 11, 24, series here 16, 38, 27, 64 and 48. Okay, I need to find which number is wrong in this series here. Okay. Now again, a good pattern. Try to observe this pattern actually. So what this pattern is all about here? See. So now number here is 11, then 24, then 16, then 38, then 27, then 64 and then 48. Okay, fine. Now if I try to find some kind of pattern here. Okay, so basically 11 to 24, basically one number is increasing, one number again decreasing, increasing, decreasing, right? Kind of a bit difficult to guess also. Okay, so what we'll do, let's try to find out by something getting I means actually taking difference won't be good, right? Because one difference 13 here, one difference is minus 8 here, and a difference plus 22 here, right? So not kind of finding any pattern here actually. Okay, so now let's try to see by this by multiplication also. Okay, so 11 to 24 could be into 2 plus 2. Okay, is one way to think it. Fine. 24 to 16 is, if I think okay, it is half. Okay, it is near half. It's like dividing by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12 and plus 4. Okay, chalo. Now 16 to 38. Now 16 to 38 is basically into 2 plus 6. If I see multiplication terms, so into 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 6. Do I am finding some pattern here? Check. 2, 4, 6. I am finding it, right? Let's try to observe further. Now 38 to 27. Let's divide by 2 again. So divide by 2 is 19. Okay, and 19 plus 8. So yes, there is some pattern here, right? There's some pattern here. Divide by 2 plus 8. Okay, so you got that. Into 2 divide by 2. So into 2 divide by 2. Into 2 divide by 2. Okay, plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. That's the pattern. Okay, so again should be into 2 plus 10. So next should be into 2 plus 10. Okay, and next should be divided by 2 plus 12. 64 by 32 plus 12, it should be 44 here, not 48. This is a wrong number here. Okay, so 48 is the wrong number, right? So basically in this kind of question, two things we are doing parallelly, right? One thing what we are doing here, basically in one part we are finding the series also, in the other part we are finding the wrong numbers also. Okay, so this is very important and these are good questions, right? Mind you, these are good questions. Okay, now sixth one, 228, 240, 276, 426, 818, 2270. Okay, and in this I don't need to find a wrong actually. I don't need to find a wrong one now. Okay, this is a normal series question, guys. And what is the missing number here? I need to find. Okay, so not wrong. I need to just find the missing number here. Okay, now the pattern, if you try to, so obviously this series, if you try to see initially by difference only, but the difference is not that visible. Okay, if you try to check the difference part here, let's say for example 228, 240, 276, 426, 818, 2270. Difference 12, difference 36, difference 150, difference 392, and difference is again like 1452. Okay, so I mean, right, again these numbers basically I don't know, but actually you should know these numbers. I have told you previously in series part also. Okay, what are these numbers? Once you take this difference like now 12, 36, you should be quickly recognizing what these numbers are. What is 12? What is 36? Recognize this number, guys. This is n cube plus n square form. Okay, don't forget, this is very important series. N cube plus n square. 1 cube plus 1 square is 2. 2 cube plus 2 square is 12. 3 cube plus 3 square 36. 4 cube plus 4 square 80, 5 cube plus 5 square 150, 6 cube plus 6 square it is 252, 7 cube plus 7 square 392. It goes like this. Okay, we can observe here 12 36, 2 cube plus 2 square 36, 3 cube plus 3 square 150, 5 cube plus 5 square 392, 7 cube plus 7 square and 14 and it is 1452 here. Okay, it is 11 cube. I think it should be 11 cube plus 11 square, right? 11 cube plus 11 square. So the next difference should be here, that should be 13 cube plus 13 square. So 13 cube plus 13 square. Okay, so 13 let's let me clear it, right? 13 cube plus 13 square. Yeah, so 13 cube plus 13 square will be equal to 13 cube is 2197. 2197 plus 169 is actually 2366. Okay, so once we add this 2366 here, we get this number as 4636. Okay, that should be the answer for this question. Okay, again a good question, right? Very good question. Okay, now let's go to 7th one, guys. Again, is a question. I need to complete this series, right? 12,783, 12,745, 12,691. Okay, then 12,672, 12,645, 12,591, and what's the next number in the series? Okay, then you need to think over it, right? Now, if you observe here, so basically you just take the difference here. Okay, so obviously series is small, I take the difference, right? So from here to here I take the difference here. 783 to 785, difference is 38. Fine. From here to here I take the difference here. So 745 to 691, difference is 54. Okay. From here to here, difference 691 to 672, difference is 19. Okay. Now this a series 12,672, so it's 27 difference here. And what is the difference here? 12,645 to 591, 54. Now, so actually it takes you a bit further, right? That what is this number here? Okay, so 38, 54, 19, 19, Truja, again 54, 19, nothing, very random pattern, right? Got to observe this. Again, it's a completely observation based series. Okay, a beautiful series actually. Observation based series. 83, 38, reverse. Okay, 45, 54, reverse. 91, 19, reverse. 72, 27, reverse. 45, 54, reverse. Okay, there should be 19, so next should be 91, so 19. If you subtract that 19, so 12,572, that should be the answer. Getting it, right? So basically last two digits are here, that is subtracted. So last two digits subtracted in the number, okay, to get the resulting answer. Okay, so again very, very interesting one. Okay, now next question, guys. Eight 72, 200, 536, 368, 452, and then what? Right. Again, need to complete the series here. So 872 to 772, 200, 536. Then we have this 368 and 452. So what's the number here? Again, so the series numbers are actually closer, right? So just try to go by difference here. If I take the difference here, understand this again. 872, 200, 536, 368, 452. The first difference here is basically, if you look, the first difference here is 672. Okay, fine. The next difference here is basically 336. If you observe, that's half of 672. It's half here. Okay, okay, fine. The next difference here is again 536 to 368. The number is in this, it is decreased here, then it is increased here. Okay, then 5, this is difference is 168, again decreased here. If you observe, it's again half here. Okay, so decreasing, right? It's again half here, then again it is like plus 84, again half, but yes, it is increased this time now. Okay, so now basically the next time it should be decreasing by 42. Okay, so it should be decreasing by 42. The next number should be 410. That should be the answer. Okay, so again every time getting half, so got to observe one time minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, like that. Okay, chalo. Next question, guys. 9th one actually. We need to find the, in this we need to find the wrong number here. Find the wrong number here. Okay, now look at the series here. 745, again 745, 731, 703, 661, and you put a blank here. Right, nice. Chalo. Now look at the series, guys. So what's happening here now? 745, 745, okay. This question here, guys, we need to complete the series here. 7, 3, 8, 9th question here in this video, 23 and 78. Okay, it's question number 9 here. Okay, 78, and what is the coming question mark here? Again a good question, right? Good question, guys. See, try to find the pattern here. 7, 3, 8, 23 and 78. Try to find some kind of pattern here. Okay, so again if you observe this series actually, so a kind of you can see it's a kind of multiplicative series, right? It's increasing a bit fast actually. 7, then 3, then 8, and 20 to 78, right? And a number can be I don't know what, so kind of a multiplicative you can think initially. So any multiplicative series, so just try to reach from 7 to 3 by multiplying. So it should be like 7 into 0 plus 3. Okay, 7 to 0 plus 3, fine. Okay, now next one should be 3 to 8. So 3 into 0 plus 8 won't look in a pattern, right? Okay, let's try to put like 3 into 1 plus 5. Okay, let's think on this. Now 8 to 23. So if we look at 8 to 23, so it is into 0, into 1. Let's try to put some into 2 here. 8 into 2 plus 7. We got the pattern. Yes, we got the pattern, right? We got the pattern. It is into 0, it is into 1, it is into 2, it is plus 7. So plus 3, plus 5 and plus 7 here. Okay, so 3 into 1, 2, so 7 into 0, 3 into 1 plus 5. This is again 8 into 2 plus 7. Okay, now if you start from 23 here, should be 23 into 3 plus 9. Okay, so what, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so from 78, actually it should be the next number here should be 78 into 4 plus 11. 78 into 4 is 312 plus 11 is 323. That's the answer, 323. Okay, Question 10 here, guys. Last question of this video. Okay. We need to find the wrong number here. Okay. Find wrong number in this series. The series is actually 12, 35, 124, 361, 722 and 721. Okay. We need to find the wrong number here. Chalo. Let's try to observe the pattern. What is the wrong number here? Okay, 12, then 35, then 124, then 361, then 722 and then 721. What is the wrong number here? Fine. Now, if you observe here, okay, so basically, now if I take the difference here, so difference may not work because series is increasing very fast initially. 12 to 23, 23 to 89, okay, then 237, so it's increasing very fast here, right? The difference may not work here, okay. So kind of a it's a different kind of series here, okay. Now again, if I observe the pattern basically, so 12 is 12. How to get that 12 here? Okay, from 12 to 35. So it's like if you see 12, it is basically 8 multiplication 23. Okay. So if you try to find some pattern here, guys, okay, if you try to find some pattern here, guys, okay, so you see that basically in from here initially when numbers are small, we can have multiple possibilities, right? Let's try to think from the last year, 722 to 721. If something is getting multiplied in this series, so basically it has to be something like something into 1, okay, well it's close to 1 only, right? Something into 1. 722 into 1, 722, it's like into 1 minus 1 kind of for now, okay. So 361, 722, it is kind of something into 2, but yeah, we have to be careful here where one number is wrong also, and in this case one number is wrong also, right? So just we try to find some kind of pattern here. So 361 into 2, not getting exactly what is wrong, okay, fine. 124, okay, to 361, it has to like 3 is getting multiplied here, because 124 into 3 is 372. Something 3 getting multiplied is, and 3 into 3 something is subtracted also, right? And 35 into 140, 35 into 124, so 35 into 4 is 140. So 35 into 4 is basically 140, and is 140 to 24, right? But if you try to find some pattern now, so it should be 35 into 4 is 124, is 140, into 4 minus 16 it's coming, okay. Now here what it was, into 1 minus 1 actually. So can you think of a pattern? This is, if this is 1 is square, if this 16 is basically 4 is square, okay. So if I try to find some, if it is into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, if I take this part here, it should be into 5. So into 5, 12 into 5 is 60, should be minus 25. So now I am getting the pattern, that is this 25, it is 5 is square, 16 is 4 is square, 1 is square, then it should be into 2 minus 4, 4 is basically 2 is square. So, but not satisfying here, so it should be like 124 into 3 minus 9, that is 3 square, and 1 is square, 2 is square, 3 is square, so into 3 minus 9 should turn up to 363, and 362 into 2 minus 4 should be 722, correct, right? That means 361 is wrong here, okay. That's how you got to find a pattern, right? So when numbers initially are difficult because numbers are smaller, try to move in the last part, okay. We did a similar question in the last video also, right? So try to start from the last and then backtrack, because when numbers are bigger, the possibilities are lesser actually, okay. So thank you guys. So these were 10 high level questions. So I hope you enjoyed these questions actually, okay. of number series, and we'll see to make more videos for number series in the coming